Well, hello makers, Maker Matt here. Starting a new project. I'll bring it in pretty much at the beginning. I already started some disassembly. What this thing is a 3 foot by 3 foot solid oak coffee table with short legs. I've already taken socket and drilled to it and removed these, pulled the corner braces off of the legs. I've taken this piece off here. There were 3 screws. Let's see, I've got, let's see if you can see this one here. Here's the last one. It's just finger tight. I'll just pull it out here. Just a big bolt and washer. This piece, again, I've already pried it loose here. Let's see, I'll move this one out of the way. Get a better view. Oh, there we go. All right, now that one's out of the way. I have a couple of screws left here. These are Robert's, the square drives. I'll take those out. That one. And that one. Let's see. I've got one more here. Here's the cut sheet. I'm going to cut it right down the middle, and then each piece is going to get a pair of 12s and a 10. So that'll be 34 inches out of the 36 that this is. So I will have a little bit of waste. That'll just allow me to cut all of these pieces a little larger, and then I'll run them back through for a finished cut. Like I said, this is oak, so it's quite heavy. So let's try the gift from my wife, a new pocket knife. Cut. Sharp knife. These are going to get cleaned up. I will be gluing them together edge to edge. I'll have to pull these little metal tabs. I'm not really sure what to call them. They got driven in between the side braces and these just to hold them together. Fortunately, these weren't glued on and they were just screwed on. So I was able just to remove the screws. Came right off. There's the fourth one. Here, let's see if I can show you a little closer. These is almost like a big razor blade that got driven in between the two, probably just driven straight down. So I'll pull those out, vice grips probably, run these through the table saw to pull these out. They've got staples in them, so I'll have to dig those out first. Bring these to 2.5 inches. So with the 4 of these, I will be at 10 inches. And that 10 inches is the top and bottom dimension of the box. Remember I said I was going to have 4 12s and 2 10s. Those 10s are either the front or the back. Or because most of it's going to be an open space anyway, the speakers that I will be using in these boxes are actually a Boston Acoustics 8-inch two-ways that are already mounted in a metal frame and look really nice. They're painted a flat white so they can be mounted in the ceiling. These are for home theater application. Found them on Craigslist for next to nothing. Decided I'd build some oak boxes. Found this oak table. Have the first cut made. That's the center cut here. Center cut here. And we'll set up for the 12-inch cuts next on the table saw.